Hey there, credit enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling episode 193, How to Use a Secured Credit Card in 2025. If you're new to credit or rebuilding after some setbacks, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First off, what's a secured credit card? It's a type of card that's backed by a deposit you make up front, usually ranging from $200 to $500. This deposit acts as your credit limit, making it easier to get approved even if your credit score is low. In 2025, with updated regulations, these cards are more accessible than ever, but always check for the latest fees and terms from your issuer. Now, how do you get started? Step 1. Choose a reputable issuer like Capital One or Discover, and apply online. You'll need to provide your deposit, which becomes your security. Once approved, you'll receive your card in the mail. Easy peasy. Using it responsibly is key. Treat it like any credit card. Make small purchases you can afford, like gas or groceries, and always pay your bill on time. Aim to keep your credit utilization under 30% to build positive history. For example, if your limit is $300, don't charge more than $90 at a time. The beauty of secured cards in 2025 is that many issuers report your activity to credit bureaus, helping boost your score over time. But watch out for pitfalls. High interest rates and annual fees can add up if you're not careful, so pay off your balance in full each month. A pro tip: set up automatic payments to avoid late fees and keep your credit report spotless. In summary, a secured credit card is your stepping stone to better financial health. By using it wisely, you could graduate to an unsecured card in as little as 6 to 12 months. If you're ready to take control, start today. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. See you in the next video.